Strange. I got quite a good deal on the hotel.
Seriously? You think £200 a night is a good deal?
What? No, I never spend that on a hotel. Well, how did you do it then?
Well, with Trivago, you can search for the hotel you want, select the dates, and Trivago will compare prices from hundreds of websites worldwide to find the ideal hotel for you.
Do I know you?
Hotel.
Trivago.
Hotel Trivago.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is SITI BINTI JEFNI ELISPUTRA. We are from Group 1 at M2356B. The case study that we choose is Trivago. The introduction will be presented by AQILAH.
So now let's really take a look into the visions of Trivago. Their vision is to be the leading independent entrepreneur global hotel message platform, while their mission is want to be the traveler first, an independent source of information of finding the ideal hotel at the lowest rate. Their nature of business is an online hotel message and price comparison platform that generates revenue through advertising and cost per click referrals rather than direct hotel bookings. While their problem statements is, although Trivago had strong growth and brand recognition, it faced challenges in 2016, such as dependence on OTA, rapid workforce expansion, regulatory risks, and competition, which threatened its strategic performance and long-term sustainability. So now we take a look into Trivago objective. The first objective is to provide traveler with an independent hotel search. Trivago aims to be the traveler first and independent source of hotel information by offering transparent price comparison across multiple booking platforms, helping users find the best hotel at the lowest rate efficiently. The second objective is to increase branded traffic and monetization. Trivago seeks to increase branded traffic through strong marketing and product innovation, while improving monetization by expanding its role in the booking funnel to maximize revenue per visitor. And the third objective is to expand global presence while maintaining entrepreneurial culture. Trivago aims to expand its global market presence while preserving its entrepreneurial data-driven culture to ensure operational agility and consistent service quality during rapid growth. Now let's take a look at the core values of Trivago that has mentioned in their annual report. So the first is trust. They want to build an environment in which mutual trust can develop that give employee the confidence to discuss matters openly and act freely. Second is authenticity. They aim to be authentic and appreciate constructive and strict feedback. Third is entrepreneurial passion. They believe that entrepreneurial passion drives them forward to continuously try out new and improve ways of thinking and doing. Next is power of proof. They believe that data used correctly can lead to empirical proof-based decision-making across the organization. Next is focus. They focus their energy on their missions of being the traveler first and independent source of information for finding the ideal hotel at the lowest rate. Their mission drives where they spend their time and focus. They believe that multiple small incremental improvement toward this goal add up to long-term success. And lastly is learning. They never stand still and choose to remain open-minded and inquisitive. They try new ideas and continue to challenge receive wisdom. Here is the key issue faced by Trivago. First one is dependent on advertising and OTA. Trivago relies heavily on online travel agency OTA and advertises for revenue through its cost per click model, making the company vulnerable to changes in advertisers' marketing budgets, bidding behavior, or platform strategy. Second, rapid growth leading to operational challenges. Trivago rapid expansion in employee and international market create internal challenges such as lower decision making, increased coordination complexity, and risk to maintaining its entrepreneurial culture. Next is regulatory and legal risk. Operating across multiple countries expose Trivago to varying regulation on data privacy, online advertising, taxation, and consumer protection, increasing compliance costs and potential legal risks. Next is competitive pressure. Trivago faces intense competition from other hotel message platforms and large OTA, requiring continuous investment in branding, technology, and user experience to maintain traffic and market relevance. So now let's take a look into the company history of Trivago. On 2004, it is the foundation as Trivago GmbH. Trivago was founded in Düsseldorf, Germany as Trivago GmbH, focusing on online hotel search and price comparison to provide travelers with transparent and independent accommodation information. On 2005 till 2008, technology development and early European expansion. During this period, Trivago developed its proprietary hotel meta search and price comparison algorithm, enabling users to compare hotel price across multiple booking platforms. The company also expanded into several European markets, including the United Kingdom, Spain, France, and Italy. On 2010 until 2012, international growth and establishment of Trivago BV. As Trivago international operation expanded, the company established Trivago BV to manage multi-country operation and support global coordination. By 2012, Trivago was active in more than 30 markets worldwide. On 2013, majority acquisition by Expedia Group. In 2020, Expedia Group acquired a majority stake in Trivago, providing strategic support, financial resources, and industry expertise. Despite the acquisition, Trivago continued to operate independently, retaining control over its brand, platform, and business strategy. Next, on 2016, corporate restructuring and formation of Trivago NV. In preparation for becoming a public listed company, Trivago underwent corporate restructuring, resulting in the formation of Trivago NV as the holding company to strengthen the corporate governance and comply with the international capital markets requirement. On December 2016, initial public offering IPO. In December 2016, Trivago NV completed its initial public offering on the Nasdaq Stock Exchange, making its transition into public listed global hotel meta search company and supporting future growth and innovation. Purpose of case study Trivago: the first one is to analyze Trivago's strategic position and performance. Second is to evaluate the impact of external factors on Trivago growth and strategy. And lastly, to assess the effectiveness and sustainability of Trivago strategies.
The general environment consists of external factors that affect a company's operations but are beyond its control. To analyze these factors, we use pestle analysis, which examines political, economic, social, technological, environmental, and legal factors. Each of these factors can present either opportunities or threats to the company. Let's delve into the external factors of Trivago. One political factor that affects Trivago is different government regulations. Trivago operates in many countries such as United Kingdom, United States, Japan, Malaysia, and others. The company is exposed to varying government rules, policies, and regulations. Differences in regulatory environments, including taxation of internet services, can increase business complexity and cost. This can be a threat for Trivago because different countries have varying rules on online marketing, advertising, taxation, and data transfer, so it makes it difficult for Trivago to operate smoothly across all the markets. Economic factors analyze macroeconomic forces such as growth, inflation, exchange rates, employment, and taxes. For Trivago, foreign exchange rate can be a threat because it conducts business in multiple countries, earning revenue in foreign currencies such as US dollars, while incurring most expenses in euros. Additionally, tax uncertainty is another economic threat. Trivago must comply with various national and international tax law and record income taxes under the liability method, including deferred tax assets and liabilities. Temporary differences between accounting and tax reporting create uncertainty in future tax obligations. A key social factor is the growing number of travelers globally, which represents an opportunity. Based on the case study, Trivago connect 120 million travelers with 1.3 million hotels in 190 countries each month. Another social opportunity is Trivago's ability to customize services for different cultures. By expanding internationally and adapting its platform to the travel habits of each country, Trivago attracts more users and increase booking. By 2012, Trivago had expanded into 33 markets and continued to grow into 22 more countries, each with unique travel habits. Trivago uses data, information systems, and online platforms. The company can provide valuable information to users and advertisers through consumer-facing digital marketing activities, increasing traffic and advertising revenue. This falls under opportunity because Trivago can use data and online marketing to reach more users. Additionally, Trivago's meta search platform innovation is another technological opportunity. By connecting travelers with over 200 booking sites and 1.3 million hotels, the platform allows Trivago to expand its network, improve service efficiency, and enhance the user experience. Natural disasters such as tsunamis, earthquakes, and volcanic eruption can disrupt travel patterns and reduce bookings. This is a threat because such events are unpredictable and beyond the company's control. Another environmental threat comes from health crises such as epidemics and pandemics, which reduce international travel demand and directly impact the Trivago's revenue. The final factor in pestle is legal factors. Trivago must comply with evolving legal requirements regarding data privacy. Non-compliance can result in substantial fines and operational adjustment, which can affect revenue and reputation. Fines can reach up to 20 million euros or 4% of total worldwide annual turnover, whichever is higher. This is a threat because failure to comply or the need to modify operation can pose significant risk and cost to the company.
Next, we move on to the industrial analysis using Porter 5 process model. So the first one is the threat of new entrant for Trivago is moderate. This is because the industry require high investment, strong technology, and heavy marketing. Established competitor like Booking.com, TripAdvisor already have strong brand and large user base, making new firm is difficult to enter the new market. The second one is competitive rivalry, also high. Trivago operate in a highly competitive market with many platforms offering similar services such as Kayak, TripAdvisor, hotel websites. Competition on price, advertising and user experience puts pressure on profit and market share of the company. And the third one is the threat of substitute is high. User can easily book directly on hotel website or using other booking.com or choose other alternative accommodation platform like Airbnb. This make switching very easy for the customer because they having a lot of substitute. And the fourth one is bargaining power of supplier is also high. Trivago depend on hotel and large hotel for pricing and availability of the room. As supplier grow larger, they can reduce advertising or stop working with Trivago, which may reduce the value of its platform. And the last one is bargaining power of buyer is high. User may have many choices and can easily switch platform if prices are high or the experience is poor.
Next, let's discuss the external factor evaluation for Trivago. The weighted score is 2.89, which indicates that Trivago is slightly above average in responding to external factors. This means the company is effectively leveraging some opportunities, but external threats still need careful attention. Firstly, Trivago must avoid over-reliance on countries with complex regulation, uncertain tax environments and fluctuating foreign exchange rates. Ignoring these threats could increase costs and disrupt the operations. Secondly, external threats such as global health crisis, natural disasters and GDPR compliance remain significant. Proactive monitoring and risk mitigation strategies are crucial to protect revenue and maintain trust. Thirdly, the company should focus on capitalizing on opportunities like expanding services tailored to different cultures, enhancing its meta search platforms and improving algorithm development. These actions can attract more travelers and increase bookings. Finally, by effectively using these opportunities and minimizing threats, Trivago can strengthen its market position and continue its international growth trajectory. Now let's move on to the IFE for Trivago. Trivago's weighted score is 2.99, which shows that the company has strong internal capabilities, giving it a competitive advantage in the travel industry. Firstly, the company must avoid internal weaknesses such as low decision making due to rapid employee growth, over-dependence on advertisers, and lack of experienced accounting and supervisory personnel. This could hinder efficiency and financial accuracy. Secondly, Trivago has notable strengths including proprietary software and algorithm, strong brand recognition, data-driven analytics and scalable business model. This allows the company to innovate and grow rapidly. Thirdly, the company should continue enhancing internal process, employee training and robust financial control. Continuous improvement ensures operational efficiency and reduce the risk of material misstatements. Lastly, by using this strength and addressing weaknesses, Trivago can sustain its rapid revenue growth, maintain competitiveness and effectively respond to future challenges.
The CPM results show that TripAdvisor 3.63 hold the strongest competitive position in the online travel meta search industry, followed by Trivago 3.02 and Kayak 3.00. A total score above 3.0 indicates that all three firms are competitive. However, TripAdvisor's highest score suggests a more balanced and resilient strategy position compared to its competitors. Trivago performs strongly in proprietary technology, meta search, platform innovations, and also data analytics, reflecting its advanced price comparison algorithm and hotel-focused platform. These strengths allows Trivago to deliver transparent pricing and efficient search results, enabling it to compete effectively despite having fewer revenue streams than TripAdvisor. TripAdvisor outperformed Trivago and Kayak mainly to its strong brand trust, extensive global presence, diversified revenue sources, and higher financial stability. Kayak, while slightly behind Trivago, benefit from broader travel service coverage. Overall, the CPM findings suggest that Trivago should reduce its dependence on advertiser and strengthen revenue diversification to close the gap with TripAdvisor.
Now let's take a look into the SWOT analysis of Trivago. The first element is strength. Strong global brand recognition. Trivago achieves strong brand awareness in major European markets, particularly Germany and Spain, where by 2010, every second person recognized the brand. The company adopted a brand-led growth strategy supported by heavy marketing investment, making Trivago one of the most recognizable hotel meta search platforms globally. Second, proprietary meta search technology and data analytics. Trivago developed its proprietary software and algorithm in-house, enabling accurate hotel price comparison without duplicate listing. The platform captures and analyzes large volume of travelers and advertised data. It allows Trivago to continuously optimize search result, user experience, and monetization efficiency. Third is scalable global business model. Trivago operates a highly scalable digital platform that allows expansion into new markets with relatively low incremental infrastructure costs. By 2016, Trivago had expanded into more than 55 markets while maintaining a common global platform. Second element is weakness, high dependency on advertisers and OTA. Trivago revenue is primarily generated through cost-per-click advertising from online travel agency OTA. If major advertisers reduce spending or shift strategies, Trivago revenue and profitability could be significantly affected. Second, operational challenges from rapid growth. Rapid international expansion and a sharp increase in employee number from 571 in 2013 to over 1,200 in 2016 lead to slower decision-making and coordination challenges across departments. Management acknowledged difficulties in maintaining speed and agility as the organization grew. Then, weak internal controls and limited experienced personnel. Trivago disclosed material weakness in internal controls over financial reporting due to insufficient experienced accounting and supervisory personnel. This increased the risk of reporting errors and governance issues as the company scaled. The third element is opportunities, growth in global online travel demand. The global travel market continues to grow with increasing numbers of travelers relying on online platforms to search and compare hotel price. Trivago connects approximately 120 million travelers monthly to over 1.3 million hotels worldwide. Second, booking funnel expansion and monetization. Trivago began expanding beyond pure referrals by developing booking facilitation and funnel expansion strategies. This allows Trivago to increase revenue per user and reduce over-dependency on the third-party OTA. Further international market expansion. Many emerging markets remain under-penetrated in online hotel meta search. Trivago's ability to localize content and adapt to cultural difference provide opportunity to expand its global footprint and diversify revenue streams. This last element attracts intense competition from OTA and meta search platform. Trivago faces strong competition from competitors. These competitors have significant financial resources and may outspend Trivago on marketing and technology. Second, regulatory and legal risks across multiple jurisdictions. Operating globally exposes Trivago to varying data protection, advertising, and tax regulations. Non-compliance with laws such as EU data privacy regulations can result in substantial fines and reputational damage. Third is rising marketing costs and profit margin pressure. Trivago relies heavily on brand marketing to drive traffic. Increasing advertising costs or declining marketing efficiency can negatively impact profitability and long-term sustainability.
In conclusion, from its founding in 2004 to its IPO in 2016, Trivago consistently upheld its vision of becoming a leading independent global hotel meta search platform. As the company continues to grow, Trivago can further strengthen its position by continuously enhancing its platform, maintaining independence, and staying focused on delivering trusted value to travelers in line with its mission of helping users find the ideal hotel at the lowest rate. That's all from our group. Thank you.